Want to view and control your iPhone on your Mac screen, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to control your iPhone with your Mac using the iPhone mirroring app. Now let's get started. Before you can mirror your iPhone on your Mac, both devices must be logged in to the same Apple ID account. To begin controlling your iPhone with your Mac, have your iPhone near your Mac, then open the iPhone mirroring app on your Mac. Click Continue. If prompted, enter your passcode on your iPhone to unlock it. If you'd like to get your iPhone's notifications on your Mac, even when you don't have the mirroring app open, click Allow. Now enter your Mac password. After the setup is done, you'll be able to see your iPhone screen on your Mac in the mirroring window and interact with your iPhone using your mouse or trackpad. You can click, hold, swipe, and scroll using your mouse or trackpad to control your iPhone just like you would with the touchscreen. Get to your home screen by clicking the bottom of your iPhone screen, or by hitting Command and 1 on your Mac keyboard. You can switch between apps like you would by swiping upwards on your iPhone by hitting Command and 2 on your Mac keyboard. You can also access these controls in the View menu at the top of your Mac screen. If you play audio or video, the sound will play through your Mac speakers, and the volume can be controlled on your Mac as well. If you unlock your iPhone, mirroring to your Mac will pause. Lock your iPhone again to reconnect. When you're ready to stop mirroring your iPhone, hover over iPhone mirroring in the menu bar at the top of your Mac and click Quit iPhone Mirroring. That's all it takes to mirror and control your iPhone on your Mac computer. Want to sync your text messages to your Mac? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.